bleh. I don't know. It was just pretty, okay? It's just too much. It's a little warm. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so spring is fastly approaching and I am so not excited. Boom! I can do early spring, but y'all know how I feel about hot weather.
Hated it.
I can't. I'm a sweater. Like, I sweat like a pig. You know the people who say I don't sweat, I glisten? Glitter? Glisten? Shimmer? No. I sweat, okay? Fall is my fave, but what can you do? So I'm still kind of holding on to the cold weather, even though it's like 70 degrees outside right now. For anyone who cares, my top is from Marshalls. It's from the men's section. I love it. It's Ralph Lauren. It retails at $189. No ma'am. I got it for $30 and I just love it. It has like this paisley print on it and it's like soft, kind of like velour. Or what material is this?
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
I think it's more like a velour, but it's like thin, so it's not super hot. So yeah, like I said, it's from the men's section, so I just kind of left it open to give you a little something, put some jewelry on. Yeah, just giving Bruno Mars. I'm into it. Anyway, back to the subject at hand. Growing up, spring cleaning was a tradition and I've carried that into adulthood. But this year I actually want to focus, yeah, I'm gonna clean up, but I really want to focus on decluttering. Literally getting rid of things that are just collecting dust that I don't touch for like months and months and months. They gotta go. Home Goods came through once again, so let's hop in. Hey.
Bars.
Now, one area of my wardrobe, of my life that needs a lot of attention is my jewelry. I wear a lot of fast fashion or costume jewelry. So most of my stuff isn't solid gold. It's more sterling silver and gold plated. They get beat up. They turn.
Well, he told me it was 18 karat.
Son, I don't think gold is supposed to flake like this.
And if you have anything like that, you know it does not hold up very well. I am the first one to admit at the end of the day, if I have on jewelry, I'm taking it off and I'm just throwing it on the dresser. Like, it is what it is. Now, I will say if I store my jewelry properly, it will last longer than it does, but I don't. So I wanted to change that. I found these jewelry trays in Home Goods and had to get them. They were such a good price, only $9.99 a piece. I got two small ones and I got a bigger one that I'll show you in just a second. But this is one of the smaller ones. It's like this pinkish. Can y'all? I still haven't figured out what side. Hey. Marco Polo, Marco Polo, Marco Polo, Marco Polo. I think this side is a good side. Okay, so it's like this pinkish, nudish, grayish color, which I love. So neutral. I have this place over here, this area in my filming room that's kind of like open closet themed. And I must say, I don't like it. I have fallen in love with closed wardrobes. I love the way things look put away. So I kind of want to do something like that. And I feel like I can get something that has some drawers and I can put these in the drawers to hide my accessories as well. I have recently bought some new rings and necklaces to replace the ones that are dead and can't be brought to life. And I feel like the gold, because I don't really wear a lot of silver, most of my stuff is gold, it's gonna look so good up against this color. I'm so excited about it. And it has a lot of compartments. I can put my little midi rings down here, some bracelets, some smaller, like my little dainty necklaces that I like to wear. I can put them there. So I got 2 of these. So like I said, they were $9.99 a piece. And then I got this bigger one, same color. This was not, I think this was $9.99 too. Yeah, this was $9.99 as well. And I want to get the little pillow, I don't even know what you call them. They're like these little cushion thingies that you can put, like my watches that I wear. I want to put them in here as well because these pockets are deeper, and I can put my sunglasses right here. It's gonna look so good. The Container Store sells pieces like this. I think they're like $30 a piece versus 10. This is like 14 inches long, but that's totally fine. I don't need that much space because, like I said, I'm trying to declutter, so I don't want to keep what I don't need to keep. I don't want to keep unnecessary things, so this is going to help me condense to my favorite pieces, stuff that I gravitate to, and then I can either donate the pieces that are all beat up, give them to my sisters, or just toss the ones that are like bleh. I opted for this color, but they did have it in cream. I bought it because I didn't realize it was a different color, but when I got it here, I was like, oh, I can still show them in case you want the cream one instead of the nudish one. So this is the cream one. It has that same nude interior, like the pockets are the nude color, but the outside is cream, which I still think is really, really cute. Super duper cute. If y'all don't know who Sarah Wisted is, let me tell you. So I've mentioned her before here on my channel. I absolutely love her style. I love how minimal and affordable her home looks, but it still looks upscale. She did a vlog where she showed how she organizes her baby's toys, and it looked so good. So I was like, yes, I'm doing that. I went to click on the link that she had in her description box because she got her stuff from Ikea. So I'm thinking, oh yeah, Ikea, super affordable, no problem. Girl, I clicked on the link for those boxes and they were $33 each. No ma'am.
No sir, not me.
So luckily I found these in Home Goods. I was so excited when I did. So they're this nude color. Let me just pick one before I start dropping stuff everywhere. Yep, just like that. Okay, don't piss me off. So they are these nude color boxes. They're plastic. They come with lids. The ones I found in Home Goods came in a 2-pack. This size was $14.99 for the pair, and I also got the bigger box. Oh my god. Whew. I need an assistant. So I got these 2 sizes. Like I said, they come in a pair, so it's a 2-pack. So it's a 2-pack. Like I said, this size was $14.99. This size was $19.99. They aren't as wide, I guess, as Ikea ones, because I think the Ikea box is like 21 inches or something wide, and this one is only 14.5 inches wide. But it's totally fine because you get 2 for less than $35 for the one at Ikea. I'll take that. Now they did come in like this bubblegum pink color and a dark gray, but I opted for this neutral nudish tone because I just felt like it would be, I don't know, it was just pretty. Okay, so I got everyone that was in the store. I think I have about 10 of these and about 8 of the small ones. I want to use the small ones to put like my cosmetics, my deep conditioner, stuff that's really flat, facial cotton, all that kind of stuff in those. And then for the bigger ones, I thought these would be better for like my laundry room, because right now I have, okay, so you know how laundry rooms come with the shelf above where your washer and dryer is? So I have that, and on top of that I put a bookcase because I want to use all that vertical space. And like I said, stuff is just open, and it just really doesn't look that good to me. Now a lot of people decant their products. That's cute. And I did think about decanting my stuff because, like I said, it doesn't look my gosh, like I said, it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing. But if I'm honest, I'm not doing all that. That becomes very expensive, trying to get containers to replace a container that something is in, and then pouring the contents of that container in said container. It's just too much. And then on top of that, you have to remember what's in those containers, or you have to write it or make labels. Y'all, that's too much. I got stuff to do, okay? So I figured instead of doing all that, I can just still keep the stuff in their original containers. We can be a little green here, right? Is that green? That's green because I'm not, that's not green. That's not being green. Whatever. But I can still read what I need to use, like my Lysol wipes and my Clorox cleanup, but I can store them away in something that's a little bit more contained, a little bit easier on the eyes, and yeah, time saver, still looks good. It's a win. Excuse me. So next up are these acrylic drawers. Super cute and convenient. I needed an easier way to store my daily and weekly cosmetics. I have these acrylic boxes with lids that I've showed you guys before, but honestly it's harder to get to my products with those because they're stacked on top of each other. So I have to pull out the boxes, unstack them, take the lid off, then reach down and get the product. I just wanted something easier, right? So I felt like I could get these, which are stackable, by the way. So you stack these on top of each other and you can still use your vertical and horizontal space. My cupboards, the cabinets in my bathrooms are really deep, which is nice, but it's not very practical when you're trying to get something that's in the back, right? So because these are pretty long, like this way, I can still use that space and still be able to get to what I need to get to. Why is this not opening? This is embarrassing. What's going on here? Oh, I had it upside down. Oopsies. So like I said, I can still store my stuff all the way to the back, but me being able to pull this out this way, I can get to the, this is still upside down. What is going on? Take 3. So like I was saying, I can still use the space going this way, but I can get to them easier because I can pull, just, I can still utilize how deep my cabinets are, but I can get to my products that are in the back because I can pull this out easily and not have to worry about unstacking boxes to get to them. So the bigger size was $14.99. I got a few of these, and the smaller one was $12.99. They're by the brand Bino. I think they sell this on Amazon actually, and I wanted to get the smaller one too because I have a lot of dad hats, because most days I don't feel like doing my hair. I just want to throw on a hat and go, and they're actually stored in, like, let me get them for you real quick because it's hideous. So this is one of many of the boxes I have. I actually store my hats, my dad hats, my beanies in these Tupperware boxes, and it's just not, it's not cute, first of all, and it's not practical because, like I said, I have to unstack the boxes to open the lid to get the hats. So I figured do a little demonstration. So this to me is way more practical. I can stack them still, but I can pull out the drawer, and here are my hats. Amazing. Closet about to be lit. Now if you're a shopper like me, you got paper on deck. There's always a receipt, there's always a return label, order form summaries, you name it, I got it, okay? And I've been, embarrassingly, storing all that stuff in an old Zara cardboard box, and I had to do something about it. Like, it's ridiculous at this point. So I found this in Home Goods, and I was so excited about it. First of all, the color. Y'all know I love a good brown, especially like with a mocha undertone, and it has this like leather strappy thing right here that I thought was just so cute. This is only $14.99. I love the size because I can fit like 8.5 by 11 standard size paper in here, and I can even get some folders to kind of stick down in here to create like a, like a file drawer box type thing. Y'all know, I'll put a picture up because I can't think of the name of it right now, but I thought this would be amazing for storage, organization, way more aesthetically pleasing than my cardboard Zara box. I can actually put this like on my what's that thing called, in my office nook on my desk, and it not look crazy. Love it. It's pretty sturdy. It's not foldable or anything. Comes with the lid. I can close it. I could only find one and I haven't seen it since. Kind of bums, but that's actually probably a good thing because that will force me to throw out paper that I don't need. Recycle, throw it out. Why are you holding on to it? You know? And last but not least, I had to mention this. And I must say, I know I'm getting old because stuff like this is starting to excite me. Like organizational things. I don't know, it's very weird, but I got this cord hider box. I'm not sure that's the correct term, but that's what I call it because you stick like extension cords, surge protectors inside here so you don't see the plugs, and it's also kid safe. I don't have any chaps, but I just thought some of y'all might, so maybe a selling point. They do sell these on Amazon, which I am going to check out because they have different sizes. So this was only $9.99. Like I said, they do sell them on Amazon. I don't know about y'all, but I have a lot of plugs, I have a lot of gadgets, and it just does, let's just be honest, it does not look good for those cords to be wilding out like that.
That girl wilding all outside.
Out there like that. Like, it honestly looks very fire hazardy, okay? So I felt like if I got this to contain them, it'll still look nice, but I can still have all my gadgets and gadgets and whatnot sits. Yeah, it actually has like a vented area down here so the stuff doesn't catch on fire when it gets hot, which I thought was really important. And it has these little grippers so it doesn't scratch up your floor. So we're gonna try this out. Oh, it has a little lid up here too. It has like a little lid that you can flip open if you need to get down and unplug something. It has little slots on the sides for the cords to come out so you can actually plug it into the wall. So I just thought that was super neat and I wanted to share. Cause yeah. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope you can find some of these pieces. I will link the stuff that I mentioned, like the Ikea box that I originally saw, the container store, jewelry trays, and anything I see on Amazon that's comparable. Comparable. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then,